Amazfit Aries smartwatch with 14-day battery life, 70 sports modes launched. Xiaomi-backed Huami has launched its Amazfit Aries smartwatch in China. It features an octagonal dial design and boasts a 14-day battery life. The smartwatch comes with a host of features that are aimed at sports and fitness enthusiasts like FirstBeat Sports Analysis and the Huami Pi Health Assessment System. The Amazfit Aries will be available in 2 colors and is currently up for pre-sale. There is no information on whether the smartwatch will make its way to the Indian market yet. Amazfit Aries price. The Amazfit Aries is priced at 499 Chinese yuans, roughly 5,300 rupees, and has been listed on the Amazfit website in 2 colors, namely, Army Green and Iwaguro, Black. There are multiple straps listed on the website as well, including silicone, rubber, leather, and a Youth Edition color wristband. The Amazfit Aries is up for pre-sale with a 40 Chinese yuans discount, roughly 430 rupees. Amazfit Aries specifications, features. The Amazfit Aries comes with a 1.28-inch square touchscreen display, protected by 3rd-generation Corning Gorilla Glass with AF coating. It is made of polycarbonate and connects to both Android and iOS devices using Bluetooth v4.2. There is a 200 mAh battery inside that, according to the company, can be charged in about 2 hours using the magnetic charging stand. As per the listing, in its daily use mode the watch will last up to 14 days, in its basic watch mode, it will last up to 90 days, and with continuous GPS usage, the Amazfit Aries will last up to 23 hours. The sensors include a bio-tracking optical sensor, 3-axis acceleration sensor, barometer, and buzzer, as well as GPS and GLONASS. The Amazfit Aries measures 46.5 by 55.6 by 14 mm and weighs 48 grams. It comes with Huami's sports algorithm that monitors and records 40 key sports indicators like heart rate, speed, and altitude. It also supports up to 70 sports modes including indoor and outdoor activities like cycling, swimming, dancing, archery, aerobics, yoga, and others. The FirstBeat analysis system provides professional data like VO2 max, recovery time, training load, and training effect. The Huami Pi personalized activity intelligence health assessment system provides personal activity information with the help of 24-hour daily monitoring, heart rate data, daily activity intensity, and personal physiological data. The Amazfit Aries comes with 5 ATM rating, making it water resistant up to 50 meters. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.